Jurisprudence Overview, Nature of Law, theoretical study of what law is, how it operates, and its relationship with morality and justice. Purposes of law, understanding the roles laws play in society. Sources of law, where laws originate, for example, legislation, precedents. Schools of thought. Natural law, law is based on moral principles inherent in human nature. Legal positivism, law is a set of rules made by human authorities. Legal realism, law is shaped by social forces and human behavior. 1. John Austin's sovereignty, jus. Example, the government makes a law that everyone must pay taxes, and people follow it because the government is the highest authority, sovereign. Key idea, sovereign power makes laws, and people habitually obey. 2. H.L.A. Hart's system of rules formula, HLA equals primary secondary as traffic laws. Primary rules tell us to stop at red lights, and courts, secondary rules, explain what happens if we don't. Key idea, law is a mix of primary rules, what to do, and secondary rules, how to change or interpret laws. And Roscoe Pound's social engineering, swimming pool, pond. Example, imagine a city deciding whether to build a swimming pool in a park or a parking lot for shops. To keep everyone happy, they build a pool for people to relax and a smaller parking lot nearby for shoppers. This way, both groups get what they want without conflict. Key idea, like balancing space for swimming and parking, the law should balance different interests to keep society running smoothly. This example ties Pound's idea to something easy to picture, like a swimming pool, making it simpler to remember. Natural law, based on moral principles that exist inherently in human nature. Example, fundamental human rights. And legal positivism, law is a man-made construct and separate from morality. Example, laws made by governments must be followed regardless of personal beliefs. And legal realism emphasizes the role of social forces and human behavior in shaping the law. Example, how public opinion can influence court decisions. Key concepts by jurists. John Austin, sovereignty. The sovereign authority creates laws, and society habitually obeys. And H.L.A. Hart, system of rules. Laws are a mix of primary rules, action rules, and secondary rules, interpretation rules. And Roscoe Pound, social engineering. Law is a tool for balancing societal interests.